Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the starting material and product. Starting material, a cyclobutane bearing an acetyl group, COH3, at C1 and a quaternary carbon at C2 that carries a methyl group and a hydroxyl group, CH3, O. This is a beta-hydroxy ketone, aldol-type adduct, embedded in a 4-membered ring. Product 3-methylcyclohex 2N1-1, a 6-membered alpha-beta unsaturated ketone. Step 2. Recognize the retroaldol pathway. The starting material is structurally an intramolecular aldol product. Under basic or acidic conditions, retroaldol cleavage of the C1-C2 bond of the cyclobutane ring opens the ring. The beta-hydroxy ketone, the CH3, or adjacent to the COH3, undergoes retroaldol to give an open-chain diactone or ketoaldehyde fragment. Specifically, retroaldol of the cyclobutane beta-hydroxy ketone cleaves the ring to generate a 1,6-decarbonyl compound, a linear diactone hexane, 2,6-dione, acetanilacetone type, or more precisely the appropriate chain that can recyclase. Step 3. Further condensation, intramolecular aldol condensation. The open-chain diactone produced by retroaldol can undergo intramolecular aldol condensation. The enolate of one ketone attacks the other carbonyl, forming a 6-membered ring beta-hydroxy ketone, which then dehydrates to give the alpha-beta unsaturated cyclic ketone. The methyl substituents and regiochemistry of the condensation lead to 3-methylcyclohex 2N1-1 as the thermodynamically favored product. Step 4. Why other options fail? A. Dehydration alone would give a cyclobutene derivative or eliminate water from the tertiary alcohol, not ring open to a 6-membered ring. Hydrolysis is irrelevant here. C. Perkin condensation involves an anhydride and an aldehyde with an acid salt. Clemmensen reduces a carbonyl to CH2. Neither applies to this ring expansion scenario. D. Clemmensen followed by Perkin condensation similarly does not accomplish the ring opening and recyclization to give the observed product. Only retroaldol, ring opening of the strained cyclobutane beta-hydroxy ketone, followed by intramolecular aldol condensation, recyclization with dehydration, logically converts a cyclobutane compound into a 6-membered alpha-beta unsaturated ketone with the correct substitution pattern. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.